We have several new features to tell you about today. We're not going to go in depth. We'll have videos and tutorials on how to use all of them, but they are all amazing additions to Inspector Toolbelt. First one we're going to show you is the addition to the notification system. Now when you click on an order, you'll see a notifications button. Click on it and you'll see a record of all of the notifications that have gone out to that particular client. And up here, you would see any pending notifications that are ready to go out. Click on any one of these and you can see who it went out to, when it went out, and a lot of other information. You can also resend that notification here. This allows you to resend notifications and keep track of when and where things have gone. The second release is we have overhauled our entire comments section. Now if you click on this button here, you can have tags on your comments. So now you can easily find comments when you're doing an inspection or when you're in your comment section editing them very quickly. For instance, you can click here and you can see all of your chimney comments. Now, when you click on this, you will see two different spots. Kind of like before, but a little bit more intuitive. For instance, this is what we call a quick comment. If you have a comment just in this upper section, that's all that will appear. These are great for quick comments like no GFCI located or something like that. If you have a more detailed comment, you really don't want to see that entire comment taking up your entire screen in the field. So you add your large comment down here, and this is just a quick reference to find that longer comment. So now this is all that'll show up when you're inspecting in the field, but in the actual report, it will show just this portion of the comment. And in case you forget that, there's a little notation here for you to be able to remember that. You can also add your tags right here in the bottom of the comment to make it easily found. Oftentimes when you're building a template or you're in the field inspecting, you want to be able to duplicate an entire column. We've now made that possible. If you click on this button here, you can duplicate an entire column and it'll transfer over all of your cards. After it's created, simply rename it. And now you have an entirely new column. This is great for when you find an extra garage that you didn't know about, or you need to have an extra outbuilding put in or a second heating system. This can be used in your template or in the field. Just 3 great new releases that we've had. We have a couple more coming out next month that you're really going to love, including the ability to move cards from one column to the other, and a couple of other great features that we'll keep for a surprise.